What's up? It's Brian back with Edge Carwash. We're about to do the Porsche Panamera. It is super dirty, but it's just gonna be a basic clean. We already getting it rolling, and yeah, it's gonna be in the wind. So let me show y'all what's wrong with it, and we'll go from there. Trey, go around. So you don't. Whenever you pick the mat up like that, the mat can get dirt all on the console. That's why we don't do that. There you go. Good job. Alright, so the rims, they real nice and dirty. Y'all can see right here, it's like super thick dirt. Jams are bad, and you know, it just need a vacuum. The car is actually new. Y'all can see right here, it's pretty dirty. But she just need a good little clean. Want to get it cleaned up. So what we looking like so far, the inside just needs a good vacuum. Probably end up blowing that out. It's not really bad on the inside. Go ahead and get this thrown out. Cup holder area just need a good wipe. Driver side just messed up as usual. We're gonna get this thing knocked out and keep it pushing, and we'll show you what it looks like after. Go. Alright guys, we is back. We got the Porsche Panamera. As you can see, it's all nice and glistening and shining and whatnot. I'm gonna take you on the inside. Wasn't too bad. Nice little basic job. So let's check it out. Y'all can see the inside. Oh, let's turn that down. Cup holders. Got this side right here all nice and clean. Nothing too major. Another job well done by Edge Carwash. And yeah, we out. Y'all can see that it ain't dirty and dingy no more. Got that nice shine to it. Cool. Y'all can see the back side of it. It is, oh, got a little piece of cotton left on there, but it's clean. So she's just got this thing used, but she's about to get some tint and rims and paint job work and a couple other things. But for now, we done. We'll see y'all on the next one. Hit up edgecarwash.com, hit that request service date button, and we'll see you soon. See ya.